The SEOM issues preliminary statement following the 2024 national and provincial elections in the Republic of South Africa. Sanabina mashoko ataugwa awa ne SEOM pamusoro pema South African elections noti bva subscribe like on the bell icon. Notoona kuti SEOM inosvika munyika yeSouth Africa yokomenda ichiti His Excellency Mr. Kavindele observed that the pre-election and voting phases of the election were professionally organized and conducted in an orderly, peaceful and free atmosphere that enabled voters to express their democratic will. He commended the people of South Africa for the political maturity, spirit of tolerance and calm that prevailed during the election period. The SEOM, AUEOM, EISA and ECF SADC concluded that the 2024 national and provincial elections for the Republic of South Africa were conducted in a peaceful, transparent, free and credible manner. Ndo mashikwana achibudiswa pana vane SEOM machiti aiwa South Africa yakazviita, South Africa aiwa yakwanisa kumaintaina mastandards ikaita kuti iconduct my elections awo peacefully nekuda kweelectoral board IEC. Satimbotudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko awo ine comment section medu saka no subscribe like chero tina on the bell icon.